The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. There have been reports of the dead rising from their graves and attacking the living in many states across the country. They include New York, Illinois, Wisconsin, Pennsylvania, and Florida. It is believed that this will happen in many other states within the next hour. If you make any contact with one of these creatures, you will become one yourself. To prevent this from happening, all residents of the United States are strongly encouraged to follow these instructions. Stay away from these creatures. Get inside a shelter above or below ground. Bring food and water with you during your stay in the shelter. If you see one of these creatures, lay low and stay out of its sight. Do not use any electrical devices, as this may attract them. Do not leave the shelter, unless extremely necessary. It's unknown how long this situation will last. An all-clear siren will be sounded when the situation is under control.